So today we're back again with another unboxing. It's a little bit different. As you can see, my outfit. I got this off Fit In. So Fit In is our local gym wear label. It's by a girl called Masrachi Ngeta, aka the point of this. Today's video I will be doing another unboxing. The last unboxing I did was for the microphone, the Rode microphone, and I actually enjoyed that, and even you guys' comments and the way you reacted to it, it made me want to do another unboxing. So today's unboxing. So there's been this rave about Herbalife products and Herbalife this, Herbalife that. Clearly I'm not fit enough to open this box. So I definitely need to get a scissor or a box cutter or whatever. Okay, so I ordered these from Lorato on Twitter, and guys, with the lockdown, I feel like people should just be patient with their orders because some things are just... Anyway, unboxing. It took a while for my stuff to get here, but yeah, they're here. So this is Herbal Aloe Concentrate Drink, mango flavored. I didn't even know aloe concentrate drink had flavors. So this is that. It's so cute. It matches my outfit. Okay guys, green is my favorite color. This is like the shaky thingy that goes on top, and I don't remember ordering that shake mix, one formula shake mix, and instant herbal beverage with tea extract, high in caffeine content. Ooh. And multi-fiber. So apparently this is a tummy flush. I really wanted to get it because yes. I really wanted multi-fiber. I think that says a lot on its own. I don't have to go into detail. This little scoop thingy, my bobby. So, okay guys, all these things, the shake, the multi-fiber, the herb, the tea comes with instructions. And for the shake, he adds 250 ml of water, shake, drink before you go to bed and in the morning. And then there's meal plans. So with meal plans, there's weight loss, weight gain, weight maintenance, and lean muscle gain. And all these have like the same, they use the same things. So what's the difference? The difference is weight gainers, they have pre-breakfast and the shake and PDM, whatever, and PDM, and then protein snack, then lunch with the shake. Okay, what I've noticed is that those that are trying to lose weight, they eat less and exercise. Oh, everyone exercises. Okay, the ones who are trying to lose weight, they eat less, but you still gotta take some of these things. So, hey guys, I think because we're on my road to 1,000 subscribers, I will not be using this. I will be giving these to one of my lucky subscribers once we reach 1,000. Whoever's interested in Herbalife products, I'm gonna choose one of my subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed in order to win. This is my giveaway today. And yeah, it's an unboxing and a giveaway. So I won't be using these in my weight loss journey, in my fitness journey. Let me just call it my fitness. So yeah, because basically all they're saying is we need to exercise and eat healthy. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away this package. What I just got today, I will be giving it all. So make sure you have subscribed. And who actually wants to win Herbalife products, guys? Just comment down below and you will get them absolutely free.